Thanks, Hannah, for creating a racetrack.
Welcome back!
Sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out, going nuts.
So there was like a murder or something in my neighborhood. I'm not 100% sure what was going on, but you know, just mowing, looking, mowing. What's going on? Nothing. I'm mowing grass.
Dad, am I ugly?
What nonsense. I'm looking at you right now. You're the most beautiful girl in the world.
Baba, am I ugly?
Very much. Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy.
Go stupid. But you smart like an A+ student. Right now, looking for your love right now.
She like boys and girls, oh well, this whole
to the B, it's M 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 to the B. Bang.
¡No! ¡Alan, ayúdame! ¡No! Todavía tengo una vida por delante. Soy TikToker. ¡No! ¡Flor, ayúdame! ¡No!
When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city.
Ladies, what do we need? Not right now, hon. This is my only time to eat. Okay? Sweetheart, I know you need help. Just not right now. Okay, this is my only time to eat. I know you need help. I'd rather not spend my lunch break helping students, okay? Come back next period. I can help you as much as you'd like. Okay, this is my only time to eat.
What's happening? Hello? Hello? Who's here?
Kill me! You're gonna murder me! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. No fries. What are you doing? Oh my god!
So there's a challenge. You walk down the stairs, you skip a step with this thingy, you gotta look at it. My toes looking mad, but you can't see shit. Alright, so I'm a
Oh yeah.
Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet. That's some wet. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet. That's some wet. I'm talking wop, wop.
I gotta go my own way.
What about us? What about everything we've been through?
What about trust?
You know I never wanted to hurt you.
What about me?
You failed the test. And you failed to educate me. Are you talking back? Yes, that's how a conversation works.
No, I know.
It's a Toronto assignment, Ian. Wait a minute. It's not on you. I hear music. Where's that music coming from? What are y'all doing? What in the world?
So, how was school today, you guys? Oh, it was okay. We did a lot of coloring. What about you, Everly? It sucked. All we did today was sit around and learn about stupid fucking fire trucks. Ugh. Everly. Chase, I am not in the mood. You got to color and do fun things today. I didn't get to. Really? Yeah. Okay. Like, I am so mad right now. Everly? What? I thought you didn't like the word fuck.